Remember, with similar figures, they might not be facing the same way. So if we look at these two side lengths, I see that on my bigger shape, my long side is 12. That means it should correspond with the longer side length over here, which would be 8. So that means that this 8 on the bigger shape would correspond with the number 6 on that one. So now I need to set up a proportion so that I can answer this question. I need to decide whether they're similar or not by trying to decide, are my side lengths proportional to each other? There's two ways that you could go about doing that. One way would be like what you did up top for number 3, where you're putting your big and small side lengths for each color over top of them and seeing if they simplify to the same number. So that's what I'm going to do for this one. There are other ways to solve it. That's just how I'm going to do it. So for this one, I'm going to do small side or small shape over the big shape. Remember, I have to do that for both colors. Oh, I wrote side instead of small. I have to do that for both side lengths because if one of them is different, that makes them not similar figures. So small over big. The colors that I have for my shape are yellow and green. Yellow is the best color, by the way. My small yellow side was 8. My big yellow side was 12. What number can go into 8 and 12? I can divide both those by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So if I get that same ratio of 2/3, or if you put in your calculator, you get 0.6 repeating. If I get the same thing over here, then that means they are proportional. So my small green is 6. My big green is 8. I can divide both those sides by 2. And I get 3 over 4, or 0.75. So are those similar figures? No, they are not similar figures. So right off the bat, I know A and C are wrong. But this one says, no, they're not similar because they're not the same shape, or they're the same shape, but the side lengths are not proportional. D says, no, they're different sizes. Well, similar figures are different sizes. That's the whole point. So D doesn't make sense. B is correct. The side lengths are not proportional. If they were, those numbers would be the same. So we should get B there.